sincerely, Legenia. Today's video is a little bit different. As you guys know, I very rarely bake on my channel. I am not big on baking. It just takes so much time and you gotta let stuff sit out and get at room temperature. And I just never have the time for it. But I saw this recipe for a delicious zucchini chocolate chip muffin and I just had to try it. So I did, and I'm sharing it with you guys today. Stick around because you are gonna love this one. These turned out really great. Look how beautiful they are. They turned out really great and they're really delicious. I think you guys are gonna love it. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining me. If you like what you see, then consider subscribing. For all of you who have been with me, thanks for joining me again. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Stick around, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious chocolate chip zucchini muffins. Okay everyone, so the first thing I've done is preheat my oven for 350 degrees. Now let's go ahead and get all of our ingredients incorporated. So before I begin, the very first thing I'm going to do is grab a small zucchini, leaving the skin on, and just use a hand grater, and we're gonna grate it down the entire thing because we're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of grated zucchini. Next, after all of the zucchini has been grated, go ahead and transfer it either to a clean towel or a paper towel will be just fine. But transfer all of the grated zucchini to a paper towel. And what we're going to do is wrap that up really well. And we're going to drain all of the excess liquid that's in that zucchini. We're going to drain it all out, because of course we don't want all of that liquid in our muffins. So just grab a bowl, or you can do this over the sink even, and squeeze that paper towel or towel and drain all of that liquid out. And then what you're left with is delicious dried zucchini that we're going to use in our muffins. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine my dry ingredients. So what you're gonna need is a large mixing bowl. And in the large mixing bowl, I'm going to combine my almond flour. I'm going to add some cinnamon, xanthan gum, and baking powder. All right, we're gonna mix this together to combine everything really well. Okay, once everything has been mixed together well, we're gonna set this aside. And now we're going to combine our wet ingredients. The first thing I'm going to add is my egg, and I always crack my egg in a separate bowl just in case I get a bad one. That's happened to me a couple of times, and so I've learned my lesson. So we're gonna need 3 eggs. Okay, I'm just gonna mix those. Go ahead and put it here in our larger bowl. For our egg, we're going to add our sugar. And we're gonna whisk this together. Now what I'm going to do is bring my dry mixture back over here, and I'm going to pour my egg mixture into my dry ingredients. Get all of that in there. Now we're gonna add the remainder of our ingredients, which is coconut milk, melted butter. Now I'm going to mix all of this ingredients together. Okay, I've switched over to a spoon. It's a lot easier, so learn from me, guys. Use a spoon when combining all of your ingredients together. Okay, we're gonna combine this until a nice dough forms, which it has right now. And so now what we're going to do is add in our grated zucchini. Put that on in there. And our sugar-free chocolate chips. All right, let's mix it together. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to fill each one of the muffin tins with a liner. 1/4 size measuring cup to go ahead and spoon the mixture on into each one of the baking cups. Now I'm going to put this in our 350 degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, guys, muffins are ready and they look amazing. All right, everybody, here are our delicious chocolate chip zucchini muffins. Let's go ahead and give these a taste, huh? They smell amazing, but look at that. All right, let's taste it, guys. I'm so excited. Delicious. These are really delicious. They're moist. I can't really taste the zucchini very much. I'd like to, but I don't really taste much of the zucchini. I think I'd like a little bit more of that taste to come through. The texture is nice. Of course, it's a bit grainy because it is almond flour, but the taste is really, really good. And the chocolate chips just make it that much better. So, definitely delicious, guys. This is definitely one that you have got to try and try really, really soon. Well, friends, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new here and you like what you saw, consider clicking that subscription button. I would love for you to become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. Thanks, guys. It is always a pleasure. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I will talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye for now.